Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. Today, episode 107H will refresh on blockchain again. Okay. Now, as earlier mentioned, once a block is mined successfully, the miner will broadcast to all the nodes in the Bitcoin ecosystem. All right. The successful block of transactions is then registered into the nodes blockchain. Once registered, it is non-reversible. Okay. So here again, the blockchain ledger is counter-checked among the nodes every second. All right. Consensus rules kicks in again. Majority win. Distorted, corrupted, or hacked nodes will be kicked out of the network, and its IP address is banned from future participation. Blockchain or Bitcoin blockchain are all linked consequentially. All right. That means block 1 must be followed by block 2, then 3, ... Up to now, maybe around 734,000 something blocks already mined today. Let me see if I can show you that. Up to now, Okay. Okay, I'll show you that later anyway. Now, what is important here is you need to understand is as they are all interlinked, right? So if a hacker want to change or hack block 53, for example, or sorry, 51 in this example, he has to go today we are 53, for example. He has to go back to hack 51, or in fact hack 52, then hack 51. All right, before he can reach 51 to change something. Okay. It's actually almost impossible. If a chain is broken, let's say one of the nodes, the chain is broken, that node is kicked out of the Bitcoin ecosystem. All right. So I want to demonstrate to you now what you call the blockchain itself. All right. Okay, I want to demonstrate now the blockchain itself. So this, what you are seeing here, is the blockchain itself. Okay. Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, blockchain. Okay, blockchain is a company. All right, it don't belong to Bitcoin at all. It's a private company, and this blockchain has all the information of what is happening to Bitcoin every day, every second. All the information. Of course, this blockchain company by itself, they have their own wallet. Okay, they also have their own so-called exchange. All right, where you can buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. Okay, And of course, what we want to know or want to study today is the Bitcoin blockchain explorer. Here you see everything here. All right, let me go back to the home. In this home, you see, no, let me go back to chart. In this chart, you will see everything. What's the price now? All right, the average block size per block is 1.16 megabyte. All right, 251,000 transacted per day. All right, mempool size. Mempool, if you remember, those UTXO waiting to be mined. Okay, then you have the currency status, total circulation of Bitcoin today, for example, is now what? 19.027 million Bitcoin already issued. Okay, then of course you have the Bitcoin price. You will see the chart here. Of course, current price like that. You have the market circulation, the total trade volume, the block size, all right, the average block size, the average transaction per block. Let's see this information. Okay, you have average of 1.5 to 2,500 per transaction per block. Okay, you also have an average payment, number of transaction. You will see you have 729 million transactions today, and you have also confirmation average block time. Okay, that's interesting. So you see the block time average is confirmation time. Okay, I don't know exactly. Hash rate, the hash distribution, the difficulty. You see the difficulty is going up all the while. Minus revenue, total transaction fee, transaction total transaction US dollar, fee per transaction, cost per transaction, cost per transaction. Okay, the unique address, confirm transaction per day, confirm payment per day. Now these are so transparent. This is what we call transparency in the blockchain. You can see every information, how many wallets, how much per transaction, what time, everything. All right. Okay. So now I want to show you now more specifically the block chain. So here you see the latest blockchain, 734,334 blocks already mined up to now. All right. This very 27, 23, okay, okay, I hope I can show you something here. Okay, maybe I'll try to take this. This block, or this block, okay? You know, you can drill down to everything. So if I see this block, the block 734334, one confirmation, the height, the unknown, the transaction, number of transaction, the difficulty you see here. Now, 29 trillion odds. That means 1 in 29 trillion before you can mine this block. All right. Then the bits are so much. The weight, the size, the nows, the transaction volume, 785 57 the Bitcoin, the reward is 625, and the fee is 0.24. Okay, maybe I see the US dollar is easier. So you have the transaction value of 32 million dollars. All right, the reward, the fee is 924. So okay, I think you get, this is the whole information. So you're looking at every block by block. Okay, right now, so every block you're moving. So the last one block is 29, 30. So it's basically 1 minute away. Okay. Well, the average is 10 minutes, I think. Let me see if I can go back to chart to show you the time. Average payment, average transaction per block, average transaction confirmation time. Okay, this is confirmation time. So here you see 10 minutes is what the design is. All right, so there are certain time, but every time it goes up and down, and all this is adjusted by the difficulty every 14 days of 2016 block, and the average will always come to around 10 minutes. Okay, so I think that is more or less I want to explain the blockchain today. You can see now why Bitcoin network is so, number one, so impossible to hack. Number two, so transparent. All the data analysis people, every day they capture all this information and came up with report. How many wallets every day Bitcoin has? How many new wallet Bitcoin has? Okay, how many wallet doesn't sell any Bitcoin? All the information is inside here, because that wallet has not moved for the last 6 months. For example, so far we know that 70% of the Bitcoin wallet did not move for the last 6 months. Okay. These are all very transparent information. Okay. Hope you enjoyed today blockchain episode. Don't forget to like. See you again next time. Bye bye.